Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's rock!
Okay, so today we're here at the track, the real Enduro track. I'm gonna try that out. I'm guessing it's gonna be a lot harder than the other places we've been before. Check those other episodes out to see how it all began. But today we're here on the official course. We're gonna do a couple of warm-up laps out here next to the parking lot, and then we're gonna head into the trails over there. We start the trail over there, go into the forest. It's gonna be quite gnarly, I think. Lots of rock, lots of shit. Hard, exhausting, but fun. So let's go.
Okay, today we are on the real Enduro track. Woo! It's gonna be crazy. I'm kinda scared actually, but I think it's gonna be fun as hell. Just do a couple of warm-up laps here on the next to the parking lot before we head out on the trail. I lost my brake foot. That's what you're not supposed to do. Gotta keep your foot on the brake. Okay, we're hitting the trail. Okay, I have no clue where I'm going. There's supposed to be a long trail and a short trail. And Toby is gonna show me the short one. Because I want to practice the easy part. It's a bit wet here still from all the snow melting. Oh shit. Oh. You're not supposed to sit down, but shit, man. Okay, so this is the long track, this is the short track. So we're going with the short track today. Good thing we practiced on sand last time. This is quite sandy. Woo! unofficial shortcut here. We're gonna go the real trail. Toby said this was a final nasty hill before we're back at the start. Oh shit. Whew. Oh fuck! Oh. I'm so tired, I'll go drink some water.
Okay, so a little mid-session breakdown. I did one lap on the small track and it was super hard. I'm so tired, exhausted, so I have to take a break now. One fall, broke the brake handle. Other than that, it was pretty good. Slow, not steady, no control, but full send. That's how we roll. Just send it. I'm gonna go out for one more lap. Okay, so the mid-session breakdown became the end. I got some battery problems on my bike, so it won't start anymore. Tried to bump start it in this little hill over here. It didn't work. We tried to jump start it with Toby's car. It started and it ran for a little bit and then it stopped by itself. I don't know what's wrong, so this is the end for me today. Got one lap on the real track. Nice to try out the track a little bit, but we'll come back and we'll do it again and we'll do it better and better and better. See you in the next one!